Tired of persistent cough and cold? Want to try some natural remedies? We all know how disruptive a nagging cold or a persistent cough can be to our daily lives. It can leave us feeling miserable and longing for relief. While there are medications that can provide respite, there's a world of effective natural remedies that can also help soothe your symptoms. Think of honey, nature's sweet relief, used for centuries to soothe sore throats and combat coughs. Or consider probiotics, the tiny superheroes maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria, thus supporting your immune system. Then there's the power of hydration and steam, herbal teas and spices, and even the ancient wisdom of a simple saltwater gargle. These time-tested solutions not only provide comfort but also promote healing, letting you breathe easier and making those cold and cough symptoms more manageable. So let's dive into the world of natural remedies and soothe your symptoms naturally. Our first natural remedy is honey, a sweet relief from nature. This golden elixir has been a trusted ally for centuries, offering a soothing balm for sore throats and persistent coughs. In fact, a review from 2018 suggests that honey might even outperform some over-the-counter medications when it comes to relieving acute coughs, particularly in children. The calming qualities of honey can pacify irritated throats, while its antimicrobial properties may prove valuable in combating infections. So how can we harness the power of this natural remedy? Simply mix up to 2 teaspoons of honey with warm water and lemon to conjure up a comforting drink. This blend not only tastes divine, but also works wonders in easing your symptoms. But let's not forget, while honey is a potent natural remedy, it's not suitable for everyone. Remember, never give honey to infants under 12 months due to the risk of botulism. Next, we turn to probiotics, the tiny superheroes of gut health. Now these little warriors are all about balance. They maintain a healthy equilibrium of bacteria in your gut, which is incredibly important for your immune system. While they don't directly tackle your cough or cold, their impact on your immune function can indeed be significant. A study from 2015 suggested that probiotics might even help reduce upper respiratory infections. So where can you find these probiotic superheroes? Well, they're actually pretty easy to come by. You'll find them in foods like yogurt. With its beneficial live cultures, you can also find them in fermented foods like miso soup and kombucha. These foods are not just delicious, but they also help to support your immune system in its ongoing battle against infections. Consider adding probiotics to your diet to bolster your body's defenses. Now, let's discuss the benefits of steam inhalation and hydration. Steaming can be a quick ticket to relief when you're battling congestion and an irritated throat. Just boil some water, lean over the pot, and take in the warm, soothing steam. It's like a gentle sauna for your sinuses and throat, helping to clear up the muddle in no time. Hydration is your other ally in this fight. It's important to keep your body well hydrated to support its natural healing processes. Fluids like water and herbal teas can be of great help. Also, warm lemon water with honey can provide double benefits: the hydration from the water and the soothing effect of honey. And let's not forget the good old chicken soup, fondly known as Jewish penicillin. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also helps to soothe inflammation, providing you with some much-needed comfort. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate you. Opt for water, herbal teas, or warm lemon water with honey. Moving on to our nature's pharmacy, herbal teas and spices. These natural powerhouses pack a punch when it comes to soothing the symptoms of coughs and colds. Let's start with peppermint. This refreshing herb is not just for freshening breath or flavoring your favorite chewing gum. When brewed into a tea, peppermint can ease throat irritation and reduce coughing. Its menthol component acts as a natural decongestant, providing a cooling sensation that can soothe sore throats and break up mucus. Next on our list is thyme. This aromatic herb, often found in your spice rack, is a powerhouse when brewed into a tea. Thyme helps to loosen mucus and relieve congestion, offering a natural remedy for those pesky cold symptoms. Its antimicrobial properties can also assist in fighting off infections. Now let's talk about ginger. This spicy root is a well-known anti-inflammatory agent. You can add fresh ginger to your tea or even chew on ginger slices. Its warming effect can soothe a sore throat, reduce inflammation, and even relieve nausea that sometimes accompanies a cold. Last, but certainly not least, is turmeric. This golden spice is prized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mixing turmeric with warm milk or water creates a comforting drink that not only soothes coughs but also boosts immunity. Now you might be wondering, how do I use these herbs and spices? Well, it's quite simple. For a soothing herbal tea, steep a teaspoon of your chosen herb or spice in a cup of boiling water for about 10 minutes. Strain, then enjoy. If you prefer, you can also add a touch of honey for sweetness and extra soothing properties. Remember, these natural remedies are not just about treating symptoms, they're about harnessing the healing power of nature to support overall health. These natural ingredients can soothe coughs and boost immunity. So, the next time you're feeling a little under the weather, why not reach for nature's pharmacy? Our next remedy is a simple saltwater gargle, an ancient wisdom. This age-old solution is a reliable strategy for soothing a scratchy throat. It works on the principle of osmosis, drawing out the excess fluid from inflamed tissues in your throat, thereby reducing swelling and discomfort. Plus, the salt can kill bacteria and prevent the spread of the infection. So, how do you prepare it? It's quite simple. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Ensure that the water isn't too hot, as you don't want to scald your throat. Once the salt is fully dissolved, take a large sip and gargle for about 15 to 30 seconds, then spit it out. Remember not to swallow the solution. And there you have it. A simple and natural remedy that can provide immediate relief from a sore throat. Repeat several times a day for relief. Have you ever heard of marshmallow root? It's not just for s'mores. This plant, with its long history in traditional medicine, is a powerhouse when it comes to soothing coughs. The secret lies in its mucilaginous properties. When brewed into a tea, marshmallow root forms a gel-like substance that coats the throat, providing relief from irritation and reducing coughing. To prepare this therapeutic brew, you need about 1 tablespoon of dried marshmallow root. Add it to 2 cups of boiling water and let it steep for about 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it warm. Remember to take small, slow sips to let the tea do its magic on your throat. Incorporating marshmallow root tea into your arsenal of natural remedies can help you tackle that nagging cough more effectively. It's like a cozy blanket for your inflamed airways. Lastly, never underestimate the power of rest and humidification. When you're under the weather, your body is waging a war against infection, and it needs all the resources it can get. One of the best things you can do is to simply give your body the time it needs to heal. That means getting plenty of sleep and taking it easy. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about giving your immune system the optimum conditions to do its job effectively. Now let's talk about humidity. Dry air can irritate your throat and nasal passages, exacerbating cough and cold symptoms. Using a humidifier can keep the air in your surroundings moist, helping to soothe these irritations. It's like creating a soothing, healing microclimate right in your own home. Remember, sometimes the best action is no action at all. Adequate sleep and relaxation allow your immune system to fight off infections. As we wrap up, remember, these natural remedies complement medical treatments, but they should not replace professional advice. We've journeyed through nature's pharmacy, discovering the sweet relief of honey, the gut-balancing prowess of probiotics, the soothing power of steam and hydration, the healing properties of herbal teas and spices, the ancient wisdom of a saltwater gargle, and the cozy blanket provided by marshmallow root. All these remedies have stood the test of time, providing comfort and promoting healing. But let's not forget the importance of rest, and how a simple humidifier can help your body recover. These remedies are not just about treating symptoms, they're about embracing a holistic approach to health, one that respects and leverages the healing power of nature. But they are most effective when used in conjunction with modern medicine. If your symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare provider. Stay well, stay hydrated, and let nature's healing powers work alongside modern medicine to ease your cough and cold symptoms. Thank you for joining us on this journey through nature's healing powers. We hope you found some helpful hints to relieve your cough and cold symptoms the natural way. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on natural health and wellness. We're always eager to hear from our viewers. If you have personal experiences or suggestions for other natural remedies, we invite you to share them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation. Remember, health and happiness go hand in hand. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll meet again in our next video. If you're left with any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to delve into, don't hesitate to ask. Until next time, take care of yourself and let nature do its healing work. Goodbye for now. Harness the power of nature. Take the reins of your well-being. Welcome to Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda, your trusted companion in your health journey. We simplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, providing practical guidance to help you attain your health aspirations. Remember, good health is not a destination but a journey made less arduous by the potent remedies nature has to offer. Each herb, each root, each leaf holds the promise of wellness, and we're here to guide you in unlocking these natural secrets. So, whether you're a seasoned Ayurveda enthusiast or a curious novice, Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda is your reliable resource. Subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Until we meet again, stay well, stay healthy, and remember, nature is your greatest ally. Let Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda be your guide on this journey of health and wellness.